In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add moving average weighted indicators on TradingView Pro in a quick and easy way. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView account and have a chart open. It can be any market or time frame. The process is exactly the same. Once your chart is up on the screen, look toward the top of the interface for the Indicators button. This is usually near the toolbar above your chart. Go ahead and click on Indicators. This opens the main Indicators and Strategies panel, which is where you'll find all the built-in tools TradingView offers. Inside this panel, you'll see several categories. For what we're doing, you want to focus on the section labeled Technical. Click on Technical to narrow things down to the standard built-in technical analysis tools. This helps filter out community scripts and other types of indicators, so you can quickly get to the one you want. Next, look for the search bar within that indicators window. It's typically at the top of the panel. Click on the search field to activate it. This is where you can type in the exact name of the indicator you're looking for, instead of scrolling through a long list. In the search bar, start typing moving average weighted. As you type, TradingView will automatically filter and display matching indicators. When you see moving average weighted appear in the list of results, click on it once. As soon as you do, TradingView will add it directly to your chart. You should now see a line plotted over your price data, representing the moving average weighted indicator. This type of moving average gives more weight to recent price action, which can make it more responsive to current market moves compared to a simple moving average. If you want to customize it, hover over the indicator name in the upper left corner of your chart and click on the settings icon. Here you can adjust the length, the source, and the style, so it matches your trading strategy. For example, you might lengthen it for a smoother, more long-term view, or shorten it to react more quickly to price changes. Finally, if you don't already have TradingView Pro and want access to more features, check out the link in the video description to sign up. Pro gives you more indicators on a single chart, additional alerts, and other tools that can make working with indicators like the moving average weighted much more convenient and powerful. And that's all you need to do to add a moving average weighted indicator on TradingView Pro.